Good morning and welcome to day 9 of the Legal Grounds 12 Days of Christmas video series. I'm Benjamin Sanchez. I'm a Texas attorney. I basically represent consumers and people with family law issues. Uh, Today I want to talk a little bit about consultations with an attorney and what you can and maybe should expect. I've been an attorney for 23 years and I've done thousands of consultations. Now, the number one complaint I think that a lot of people have about attorneys and consultations is that they don't want to pay for a consultation. So I want to address the money issue real quick, but that's not the focus of this video, and I will get into what can be and probably should be covered in an attorney consultation whenever you do have that consultation. So the biggest gripe that I have that I see from people is that I have to pay for a consultation with an attorney and I'm not even getting anything. Well, my response to that is twofold. One, do you have a free consultation or a free visit with your doctor? Even though you may have insurance, that insurance is going to have a payment even if you don't. You may have a small copay, but you won't be able to go see a doctor who's a professional, who's a doctor of medicine. You won't be able to go see that doctor for free when you have that consultation. But lots of people think that they can see a doctor of law, which is what a lawyer is, but they can have that consultation for free. So just remember that particular the issue when you're thinking about whether or not you want to pay for an attorney consultation. The second thing I'll say is this, is that if you go to a good consultation, you're actually not leaving with nothing. You're leaving with knowledge and strategy about how to potentially handle your case and whether or not the law will support whatever claim or defense that you want to give. So when you're thinking about whether or not to pay for a consultation, just know that a good consultation is not going to leave you feeling empty. A good consultation with an attorney should leave you feeling empowered and knowledgeable about your situation, even if the attorney ultimately cannot help you with your situation or explains to you that you don't have a claim. So just think about that when you're thinking about payment. Now, regarding consultations and what to expect in them, there are three things that I think a good consultation does. Well, what an attorney should cover. I think an attorney should review the facts as quickly as they can with the potential client. I think an attorney should then, based upon the facts, discuss the law with the client so that we talk about, what is the law applicable to this fact situation that you're presenting me? And does that law or do those laws help or hurt those facts in your case? Not everyone comes to me with good facts, and sometimes I have to be honest with them. I mean, I'm always honest with them, but sometimes I have to basically tell them that based upon the law, they don't have a case, or based upon the law, they should have done this notice or that notice, and they failed to do it, so they've hurt their case. So, in addition to discussing the facts of the case and discussing the applicable law, then the attorney should also discuss the likely costs involved and what the retainers are. Now, I myself offer telephone consultations 30 minutes at a time. I'm doing consultations a lot these days by telephone due to COVID. And we can cover those three topics fairly easily within those 30 minutes. Sometimes I can find out sooner. Sometimes it takes me a little bit longer. But I think that an attorney can get the facts, the legal issues, and the cost all pretty much taken care of in a consultation within 30 minutes. If you're paying for a consultation, and you may be able to get a longer consultation with an attorney, But just know that you should feel like you got some value out of that consultation. I think the attorney who is not honest with the potential client in discussing their case does a disservice to that client. And an attorney who is just looking for money to try to convert that potential client in consultation into a client, into a paid client, even though that client may not have a good case or actually even a proper case, that does a disservice not only to that potential client, but also to our profession. I honestly try to evaluate each consultation and give what I can for each consultation. I just wanted to share, I regularly get reviews online after my consultations, and even when people don't hire me, I still get reviews of my consultations. So I just wanted to share a couple of them so that you can get an idea of what a good consultation looks like and what you can expect. And I hope that you would feel this same way whenever you go to an attorney to try to get a consultation. The first one is this. It says, nowadays, it's so hard to find a genuine lawyer who knows and understands the law and wants to use it to help you. Mr. Sanchez did an initial consultation over the phone with us and spent 30 minutes helping us understand our situation and our options. He was honest in that there was not much he could do in his specialty for this situation, but he recommended a lawyer that could. I've gone to 3 other lawyers before and after him, and all of them told me what Mr. Sanchez told me without the cost and runaround. What an amazing soul. He knows his stuff. I will be utilizing him in the future. So that's my most recent review that just came up today, actually this morning. Another person just earlier this month wrote regarding a consultation he had with me. Mr. Sanchez was very polite, courteous, and knowledgeable. He listened politely to my situation and gave his opinion of the probable outcome. I appreciated this very much and will return to him in the future should I need an attorney. So these are just sort of the kind of reviews I get, but I use those reviews as examples of what to expect in a consultation. If you leave a consultation disappointed, the disappointment should only be because you were given the truth about your case. If you leave a consultation disappointed about the approach that the attorney took or the attorney's demeanor, then obviously that attorney is probably not a match for you. So I hope this has been helpful. Again, in an attorney consultation, whether it's a paid consultation or not, you should be able to review the facts, the legal issues, and potential costs of the case. Again, those are what a good consultation should do for you. There shouldn't be a sense that the attorney is just trying to convert you to a paid client in that consultation. I try to give value, and a good consultation gives value to you no matter what, whether it's paid or not. This is Benjamin Sanchez, day 9 of the Legal Grounds 12 Days of Christmas. I hope you have enjoyed this video. We're 3 videos away from the final video on Christmas. I look forward to doing that with you on Christmas Day and celebrating the miracle of Jesus' birth and everything that Christmas represents. Have a good day, everybody. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.